Hey guys, today we have a oil furnace that has been improperly installed for years, and this is some of the results here. It has completely eroded away the single wall pipe. You can see how thick that's a good ½ inch thick of buildup over the years, and that's not the worst. We got our cracked flue, and at the very end, that has become concrete. So we have a flue gap. It's hard to see. That flue gap is only about 2 inches by about 4 inches, so this flue is going to have to be completely redone. You can see our flue is completely 100% all cracked all over the place, and just completely deteriorating, mainly, and you can see how bad the smoke has been because of the problems. So we've had poor combustion. We have a 3-ton with a 10-inch return. So that's why it's been overheating and a cracked heat exchanger. So we're gonna recommend a new system because of safety problems. But as always, guys, like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day.